Lishan Senior High School is a pioneering public senior high school in Taiwan that is famous on science education. As part of the regular courses, all Lishan students are required to take a project-based research course. This training not only nurtures students' science and critical thinking skills, but it also provides them with an opportunity to showcase their work in English, allowing them to gain valuable international exchange experience. In the past few years, Lishan High School has joined the government-sponsored plans to enhance its digital infrastructure. The school has acquired a cutting-edge digital audiovisual solution from AREC, including a portable recording and streaming system, a digital studio for high-quality multimedia production, and an international exchange hybrid classroom for lecture capture and international exchange. Thanks to AREC solution, Lishan High School has been able to retain its original audio and display equipment in the classroom while upgrading them to digital recording and live streaming classrooms by adding the AREC media station as the core device. According to Director Chang, video recording is a valuable tool for enhancing students' language skills, as well as aiding teachers in their teaching. If you are interested in AREC Hybrid Classroom Solution, please contact us via sales@arec.com. Thank you.